Hey there, are you tired of wrestling with your unresponsive Tempur-Pedic adjustable bed? No worries, I've got the perfect fix for you. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to pair your Tempur-Pedic remote so you can enjoy those perfect sleep settings without any hassle. Get ready to say goodbye to all your remote pairing woes with this simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Prepare your bed base and remote. Before we dive into pairing mode, let's set the stage. First, ensure your adjustable bed is plugged in and that the power cord is securely connected to the outlet. You might also want to check the batteries in your remote, placing them if necessary. A fresh pair of batteries ensures that the communication between the remote and the bed base will be seamless. Once your hardware is ready, locate the pairing button on the control box of your bed base. This box is usually found underneath your bed or behind the headboard. Step 2. Pair the remote. Here comes the fun part, pairing. To start, press and hold the pairing button on your bed's control box until you see an indicator light flashing. The flashing light means the bed is ready to sync with your remote. Next, grab your Tempur-Pedic remote and press down a combination of buttons specified in your user manual. This combination is often something like the head up and head down buttons pressed together simultaneously. Hold until the remote's LED blinks back at you. If the LED is flashing, congratulations, your remote is now syncing with the bed base. Step 3. Test functionality. Now that the remote is paired, it's time to make sure everything's in working order. Try adjusting the head and foot positions using the remote to ensure it's controlling the bed accurately. You may also want to test features such as massage settings or preset memory positions if your bed supports these functionalities. If everything moves and vibrates as expected, your pairing is successful. Should there be any hiccups, a simple reset might do the trick. Just repeat the pairing process starting from step 1. Step 4. Troubleshoot common issues. If you still experience pairing problems after following the steps, don't panic. Sometimes external factors like interference from the electronic devices can cause issues. Try moving smartphones or other wireless devices away from the bed base. Double check that the remote has functioning batteries and that the bed's power cord is firmly plugged in. If problems persist, consult the manufacturer's manual for specific troubleshooting advice or reach out to Tempur-Pedic's customer support. And there you have it. Pairing your Tempur-Pedic remote is simple with just a bit of preparation and patience. With your remote successfully paired, you can finally get the personalized comfort and peaceful sleep you deserve. Remember, following these steps will keep you from tossing and turning due to technical difficulty. Now, grab your remote, lay back and enjoy a night of perfect rest on your well-adjusted bed. Sweet dreams.